Welcome to BibiToonsTv.
Hello, friends! Bibo the Robot is here. Oh no! What's wrong here? Look! The tire is flat. It needs some air. Which tool do we need? Aha! The pump!
Pumping, pumping, pumping. Let's get this tire full of air.
Yay! The tire is fixed. Good as new. Bye-bye, blue car. Have fun. What's over here? Looks like another friend needs help.
Oh dear. This truck is missing its headlight. How will it see in the dark?
We need a new headlight. Let's find one. Ta-da! Here it is.
In you go, little headlight. Click. Perfect fit.
Hooray! Now the truck can see. What a bright idea.
See you later, yellow truck. Drive safe. Oh my, what's this? A little red scooter in trouble.
Uh-oh, this wheel is wobbly. It needs to be tightened. To tighten a wheel, we need a wrench. Yes. Turn, turn, turn. Tighten that wheel. Almost there.
Yay! The wheel is fixed. Time for a happy dance. Zoom, zoom, red scooter. Have a wonderful ride. Thanks for helping Bibo fix everything today. See you next time, friends.